Okay. I got it hooked up to my car. Cut it on. Lights on. Fuel injection. Start. Sounds like it's grinding. It shouldn't sound like that. I don't know why. Headlights on. If anybody can help me figure out what the hell is going on.